Hi there! If you have recently bought a JCB machine or already manage a fleet and you are in a dilemma as where to buy spare parts from, should you just go to any XYZ spare parts trader selling all brands of non-genuine spare parts? Or should you go to the JCB authorized dealer? In the next couple of minutes, I'll convince you why you should go to an authorized JCB dealership.
Every part sold at GP Equipment Solutions is certified as JCB Genuine, which fits your JCB machine perfectly.
Since there is no difference in the packaging, you can never be sure if the parts that you bought from the trader is genuine or fake. No doubt, you may save money on buying fake parts, but you will lose JCB warranty and will shorten machine life. All of this will eventually cost you a lot more.
GP Equipment Solutions, being the authorized dealer, only procures genuine parts directly from JCB UK Parts Center. GP Equipment Solutions has JCB trained parts advisors who exactly know which part suits best for your JCB. We have a 90% stock availability in our stores and a strong distribution network. We have our parts depots in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, and Al Ain, with fully equipped workshops in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, providing after-sales supports across the UAE. If there is a part which is not available in our stock, our parts advisors have live access to JCB parts stock around the world and can get them delivered with minimum lead time. We have high-tech workshops where thousands of JCB machines are serviced and repaired every year. Our JCB certified experts are ready to solve any sort of problem your JCB may face. If you have a machine breakdown or require an on-site service, on a single call, our quick responding mobile workshops with JCB technician can come to your site, diagnose your JCB and carry out service for you.
Now that you know the harmful effect of using non-genuine JCB parts, why take the risk? Protect your investment and keep it genuine.